so I got my package from Alpha Spreader and it came in this Hello Kitty plastic bag. So yeah. My brother is over here. So yeah. And then, so this is the package. Okay, so sorry about the background noises because it's like, yeah. So this is my friend's one. Oh, wait a minute. So yeah. Yeah, I accidentally did that. Never mind. So yeah, this is my friend's squeeze toy. Okay, so this is my friend's squeeze toy. It's the Disney one. So yeah, it looks like this. I will take it out later if she says can. I don't know. So yeah, this is mine. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay. And here's a little note. So this is my order things. And then this is hope you like your items and the answer. Thank you for the okay, so yeah, that is that. I really like this little pet thing. So yeah. And it came in this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Okay, so so first I got this one. Oh my god, this is so soft. So I'm gonna open it. This is super duper soft. Can you see? Yeah, so soft. Thank you! So yeah, I have this one and then I also have this Hello Kitty head thing. So yeah, I have this one and then this is, oh, the egg. I'm going to take this out. Oh, my brother is saying this squishy. You can't do that. No, my kitchen. So yeah, I have this one. Yeah, from Hot Girl. Yeah. So these are the extras. You can see over here. Thank you for the extras! Oh, so this is the tag thing. So yeah, this is her key, bibs and box, and instant message. So yeah, it says thank you for supporting Squishy Crazy. Have this really cute strawberry chocolate sticker and this is the back. So yeah, and let's just see. Oh, what is this? Oh, so this is, I think it's a sweet or something. And oh my god! How cute is this? Thanks for the extras. I really love the extras. So yeah, I will have this. Sweet. Oh my god, I've been like chasing these for like years and I can't even find it. I don't know why. So yeah, these are everything. Oh, and this. And yeah, so these are everything. Oh, and these smells like something that I don't know what is that. So I got this Hanari tofu. I'm gonna take this out. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put that back again. Okay, this is a bit hard, but I don't care. I just don't care. So yeah, this is a tofu. There are no defects, I think. Yep, no defects. I really love this tofu. And then I have this egg. Oh, I will show you that. So yeah, these are everything that I ordered, and it's really cute. This is like super soft. I don't know why. It's like the real tofu, isn't it? So this is basically a bowl macaron. I actually have this one, but it's not that squishy. Mine is not that squishy. This one is like super soft. So yeah, I have all of these, and I really love this egg. I was expecting this to be softer, but anyways, I still love it. So yeah, these are everything that I bought from her. And now let me show you my friends one. So this one, yep, oops, So let me just take off the sticker thing. Okay. So this is her name, if you're wondering. So yeah, this one. I really love everything. So cute. So wait a minute. So okay, how do I open this? It's Scotch tape. Oh, okay. So yeah. Oh, okay. Ew. So this is a Mickey Mouse. You see a Mickey Mouse? Oh my god, so cute. So yeah, I have this one, and yeah. So this is everything that I got. And yeah, bye. So thanks for watching. Oh, and yeah, this is a message to her. You are super duper kind. And I don't know how to put this back. How do I put this back? Okay. Oh, I really like this. Okay, so yeah, bye.